Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'll be guiding you through how you can change your language on Boom Beach. If you want to change your language in Boom Beach, first of all, launch the Boom Beach app open on your device. After you're in the home page, tap on the gear button at the top left corner. Inside the settings menu, tap on language option. Now, choose your preferred language from the list of available languages. After tapping on it, confirm the change by tapping change. This will quickly restart your game, and you will then be able to change your language setting to the preferred one. Now you can enjoy the game in your preferred language, making it even easier to navigate, strategize, and conquer your enemies. If you found the tutorial helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will soon be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.